Welcome to MyDraw. Today let's learn about changing the page size. Page size and orientation are crucial, especially when it comes to printing your drawings. Most of MyDraw's drawing pages templates are created with standard paper sizes, but you can change a document's size at any time. You can also change the orientations of the drawing, portrait, and landscape. Click on the Design tab. In the left corner, you will see two orientations and size buttons. To change the page orientation, use Orientation. MyDraw's default page size is A4 portrait. Alternately, you can change page orientation and size with right-click on the drawing page and select Page Properties. In the General tab, you will see the size options.